Hello all and welcome to this Monday burn down meeting of the Kubernetes 130 release cycle. I'm Fred and I'll be the host for today's meeting. Please be aware that this is a Kubernetes community meeting and falls within the Kubernetes code of conduct that can be summarized as be excellent to each other. The meeting is being recorded and will be publicly posted on YouTube later on, so be mindful of what you say and turn off your camera if you don't want to appear. Add yourselves to the attendee list, please, and we can start by taking a look into the open discussion, which doesn't seem to have anything here parked or there. So I guess we can jump right into the updates. Let's start with the enhancements. Is there, I don't know if Mohammed is here or someone from enhancements?
There likely is not an update from enhancements since their job is mostly done.
Yeah, exactly. So let's jump to release signal.
Hey everyone.
Hello, Vion.
Hey. So the current status for release signal is yellow, and it's yellow basically because we have been observing this particular flake since 1.27, I think. Timed out waiting for a service to have a load balancer. Based on the recent development, a fix has been made, but it is not being used because we need to maybe update the images, repackage stuff. And constant failures like these can shadow other flakes. It's like a bug shadowing another bug. So the observability of a board or test reduces due to that. So we would like some help from SIG network folks. We have pinged them, but we haven't got any response back from them. So some help would be appreciated on this side. And on the bug triage side, two new PRs for 130, both have been tracked. So yeah, that's the update from our side.
Thank you very much, Viam. Any questions for a release signal? So thank you again. We can jump into docs with Daniel.
Hey everyone. So our doc status is yellow. The docs freeze is tomorrow, 6 p.m. And we're coordinating, or the docs team is coordinating between the authors, the SIG docs, as well as our technical reviewers to make sure all the good tags are in there and make sure all the reviews are looking good and on track. So after, of course, March 26th, authors will probably need an exception. And there's been a lot of updates and action this morning, probably because it's the Monday morning after KubeCon. So we're working away, but maybe there's a possibility some of these might need exceptions.
Great, thank you very much, Daniel. Any comments or questions for comms?
Yeah, y'all are reminding all of these owners in the issues that there is an exception process for docs this year, right?
Yeah, we have brought that up. We are probably going to be a lot more forward about that today and tomorrow as well. In terms of like how that process works, because I think we've just hinted at it and provided the links thus far.
Okay.
Thank you again, Daniel. Moving on to release notes with Rashan.
Yep. Hello, everyone. So the status, I would say, is yellow. So we were a bit behind with the PRs, but the beta 0 PR has been opened today. So hopefully we can get that reviewed soon. We also opened the known issues thread, and we're continuing some major themes work. So that'll be the focus for this week.
Thank you, Rashan. Any questions for release notes? No. Let's move on to comms with Abigail.
Hello, everyone. So our status is green. We have had 7 feature blogs meet the ready for review deadline. I think maybe 2 dropped out of not wanting to continue writing. And we're working on getting those reviewed and ready for publication. And that includes us communicating our publication dates out to the KEP owners so that they know when everything will be published. Kristen worked on putting that together, so we can now communicate that out. We've also been working on a draft for the release blog, and we've been working on contacting the SIGs and KEP owners to get some brief paragraphs written about upcoming changes that we can move into our draft. We're planning to open a PR for that tomorrow. Right now, we're working out of a Google Doc, but we're going to be moving it into a PR so that it can be reviewed and worked on more broadly. And the last thing is that we've already started communicating with the CNCF about scheduling a webinar about this release and scheduling interviews with the release lead. And that is everything from us.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Abigail. Any questions for comms? No. So I'm not sure if for the next teams we will have someone here, but I'll go one by one. Release branch management. Mark, anyone? Oh, so we'll move on. Emeritus advisor, Grace. You might have said something, but I don't think that it was a.
Yeah, if you're talking, Grace, we can't hear you.
She just put an update in the chat.
Okay.
Oh, cool.
Where's the chat?
Now she says no updates, bad mic.
Okay, excellent. Thank you very much, Grace. Release lead, Kat.
Hello. I also don't really have any specific updates other than I am back from KubeCon now. I'm back in Edinburgh, but I will very likely be at Open Source Summit North America the week of the release, so that I can handle the release from a North American time zone. So if any of you will be in Seattle for Open Source Summit, let me know and we can schedule some kind of release thing in person too.
Right, and I think that's a wrap. I don't know if there's any additional comments. I'll stop the recording now for any off video comments.